Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a PS4 or PlayStation 5 friend on your phone using the PlayStation app. So if you don't have this, just go on over the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and type in PlayStation on the top, and you should be able to get this app and log in with your PlayStation account. So once you're under this screen, all you have to do is swipe on down from the top. Under the friends section, so where you can see your friends list, then go to the top right. There's going to be a little symbol with a smiley face and a plus icon. Tap that. Now you can just type in the person's name. So it gives me people I may know. So let's type in something. Let's type in 007 and see what pops up for that, I guess. And then go to search. And then we have all these people in here with 007 in their name. And then we can just go to their name. So let's tap this one. And then we can see their profile and we can share it under there. But we can just simply go to add friend right here. Tap it and then send request. And that will send that person a friend request. Now if we go back, I have a friend request section on my PlayStation. So if we go back under the screen, let's go back over to messages, tap this, and then in the top right, if you look, it says requests. So we can just go to the request section and accept our friend request under here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.